Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Roaring Kitty stirs meme stock frenzy with GME surge. BYD shocks auto industry with affordable Seagull EV. Biden under pressure to address grocery price fixing. Schumer urges FTC to slow down Chevron-Hess mega merger. Walgreens in spotlight as potential Boots buyers emerge. China's tech giants encouraged to choose local AI chips over Nvidia's. Solar stocks soar on Biden's tariff plans. Fisker boosts capital from existing investor and stocks experiencing over 10% short interest revealed by Finviz screener. Stay tuned after the short ad break for a deep dive into these headlines and more. Shares in GameStop have experienced a surge of over 100%, exceeding $35. This increase was triggered by a tweet from influencer Keith Gill, who is also recognized as Roaring Kitty. The event has rekindled interest in other meme stocks, including AMC, BlackBerry, and Nokia. The current rally seems to be a gradually developing short squeeze. Short sellers could potentially face losses close to $500 million today if these gains are maintained.
The BYD company has introduced a new, cost-effective electric vehicle named the Seagull, which is causing quite a stir in the automotive industry. Despite its modest price tag of $12,000, it showcases craftsmanship that rivals more expensive models from the United States. However, due to tariffs, this vehicle will not be available in the U.S. market for now. Nevertheless, experts caution that overlooking BYD as a potential competitor could prove to be an error. The Seagull is scheduled to launch in UK markets by 2025.
Senator Elizabeth Warren and Representative Mary Gay Scanlon, along with other Democratic lawmakers, are calling on President Biden to probe into possible price manipulation by grocery store chains. They recommend the application of the 1936 Robinson-Patman Act as a means to encourage fair competition and shield consumers from escalating food prices. This appeal arises in light of worries regarding the effects of supply chain disruptions on consumer expenses and product accessibility.
Chuck Schumer, the Senate Majority Leader, is urging the Federal Trade Commission to stop Chevron's proposed acquisition of Hess Corporation. This deal is valued at $53 billion. Schumer warns that this could potentially increase gas prices due to a reduction in competition. In the past, he has called for close examination of large oil deals. This includes ExxonMobil's recent purchase of Pioneer Natural Resources for $60 billion.
Walgreens Boots Alliance, it is reported, is in the process of seeking potential buyers for its UK-based drugstore chain, Boots. The value of this chain stands at approximately $8.8 billion. To facilitate this process, the company has engaged advisors who have begun preliminary discussions with parties expressing interest. This information comes according to a report by Bloomberg.
Officials in China are encouraging technology companies to prioritize the use of local artificial intelligence chips instead of those from abroad. This could potentially impact American firms such as Nvidia, Intel, and AMD. This strategy is in line with China's drive towards self-sufficiency in technology, a move prompted by restrictions imposed by the United States. However, it's worth noting that Chinese businesses have placed orders for Nvidia's H20 chips valued at $4 billion for delivery in 2024.
Stocks in clean technology within the United States are experiencing a surge. This includes companies such as SunPower and Maxeon Solar Technologies. The reason behind this increase is the potential tariffs that may be imposed on Chinese solar firms by the Biden administration. Other companies benefiting from this situation include SunNova Energy, SolarEdge Technologies, Shoals Technologies, and Enphase Energy. The Invesco Solar Exchange Traded Fund has also seen a rise in value. Additionally, other alternative energy companies like Plug Power, Ballard Power Systems, Fuel Cell Energy, and Bloom Energy have also experienced growth.
Fisker has entered into a securities purchase contract for an issuance of senior secured notes worth $3.46 million, due in 2024. Following this announcement, the company's shares saw an increase of 11.4% during after-hours trading. Fisker also retains the option to raise the principal amount up to $7.5 million and intends to allocate the funds raised towards approved budget expenditures.
GameStop is currently leading the way, demonstrating a 73.91% shift in stocks that exhibit over 10% short interest, as per data from a Finviz stock screener. The surge in the company's shares occurred following the online return of social media influencer Keith Gill. There were several temporary pauses in GameStop's trading due to this rally, with its peak reaching $36.70. And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay savvy, stay informed. Until next time, keep making those smart money moves. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow dawns, take care and goodbye for now. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.